get to the favorite part. First of all, open your browser, then go to the search engine, the search URL, then type QR code generator, as you can see here, then you tap on it. Okay, so you click on the first one, there it opens. So if you want to create a QR code for your website, vCard, text, email, SMS, Wi-Fi, Bitcoin, Twitter, Facebook account, PDF, music, App Store, image, anything. So all you need to do is let me use website as an example. All you need to do is to click on the website. They will ask you to insert your URL. Okay, so let me copy my URL from here. So okay, that's my URL, profitablehub.net. So let me paste it in. Okay, so it will automatically generate the code here. So if I want to customize it, if I want to customize it, I need to log in before I will be able to customize it and insert in my logo and the other stuff. But if you don't want to, then you just download the JPEG format. Okay, but right, I want to customize it. So if you check the right side, if you want to change the color, shape, you want to insert logo, you just click here. So I'll click here. So upload your own logo. Okay, so I'll click on upload your own logo. Then you need to sign up. It's a free sign up, you don't have to pay anything. Okay, so when signing up, you can sign up with your Gmail account, or you enter your logins and you enter your Gmail. They will send you a verification code to confirm in your Gmail. Okay, but me, I already have an account, that's why it pops up like this. So I'll go to my dashboard. Okay, I'll go to my dashboard to customize my QR code. Okay, so here you go, this is my dashboard. So I'll go to create QR code. Okay, create QR code. Okay, then click on website. As I said recently, if that website, social media handle, business page, or any other stuff you wanna do with it, you just click on it. So website, then I'll click on next. Okay, so I'm supposed to paste in my URL here. Okay, if you want this process, you can continue only if you want to customize your QR code. But if you don't want to customize it, you can just do it for the first one I showed you without logging in anything. Okay, so I need to I upload my own logo, and so that it will be able to insert in the middle of the QR. So I'll click upload, then go to my logos. Okay, so I'll be selecting the logo from my computer. Okay, open, it's loading. So there we go. So my logo has been inserted in the middle. Okay, my logo has been inserted in the middle here. And also you can change how it looks, the color, like the color of the QR code, how it looks. You can click here to change the color. Yeah, can change the color to any, but I prefer using black. Okay, and also this portion, you can also change it. So you just click on any of them, anyone that looks better to you, you click on it. Okay, click on it. Then also the QR short code, you can also customize it. So my code is my URL is profitablehub.net. So I want to add customize it to my URL, my website name, Profitable Hub. Okay, then save. So I'm done now. So I will download it. So everything is perfect now. If you download it, you can send it to a friend, or you can scan it on your own. If you scan it, it will direct you to your website. So I'll do a sample so you will know it's working. Okay, so I'll use my phone to scan so you will know it's working. Okay, First of all, let me send it through my WhatsApp so I'll be able to use my phone. So I'll have the QR on my phone. Okay. Okay. So there's it. Okay. So let's get to my phone and let's continue from there. So welcome to my full screen. So let me open WhatsApp and locate my QR image. So when the image opens, tap on the image for some seconds. A pop-up will show up that says open in Chrome or any browser you are using. So tap on open in Chrome. When you tap on open in Chrome, it will direct you to your browser, and the URL you did inserted in the QR code as you were generating it, that's the exact URL is going to open in your browser. So this is the URL I did inserted in the QR code as I was generating. This is my website. Follow for more updates. Let's meet at the top because there is where I'm going to be. I'm Kwabs. Thank you.